You know, it's worse than being broke. Being broke and thinking your only way out is working overtime at a job you hate. Trust me, I've been there. I had $12 in my checking account and just enough gas to make it to work and back. Barely. Fun times. But everything changed when I discovered dividend investing. I know, sounds like something only old men with briefcases talk about, but hear me out. I started with $500, and now I make passive income that hits my account every month, like clockwork. Want to know how that happened? Cool. Let me take you back to the beginning. So yeah, I was stuck. Every paycheck was gone before it even landed. Rent, student loans, groceries, mystery Amazon charges I definitely don't remember authorizing. I was tired of trading hours for dollars, tired of the anxiety. And then, one night, in a YouTube rabbit hole about how to make passive income, I stumbled on a guy talking about dividends. You can get paid just for owning shares of companies. It's like getting a thank you check for being rich. I thought it was BS, but the more I looked into it, the more it made sense. Companies share profits with investors. You don't have to sell the stock, you just own it. And they pay you, regularly, like rent money, but from the stock market. So, I took a risk. Not a crazy one, just $500, which I scraped together by selling some junk, cutting back on Uber Eats, and saying no to exactly 3 bottomless brunch invites. I bought shares of solid, boring companies. Think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Verizon, stuff your grandma would love. Not flashy, but reliable. And that first dividend payment, it was like $2.17. Barely enough for a cup of coffee. But it hit different. That $2.17 was money I didn't work for. It was my money making me more money. That flipped a switch in my brain. Fast forward to today, I've built a portfolio that pays me hundreds every month. It's not buy a Lambo money, but it covers groceries. It covers gas. Sometimes it covers rent. More importantly, it gave me freedom. Freedom to breathe. Freedom to say no. Freedom to stop living paycheck to paycheck like a hostage. I mean, seriously, why aren't they teaching this in school? Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Okay, cool, but how do I powerhouse my bank account? Look, dividend investing won't make you rich overnight, but it can make you rich over time. You don't need thousands to start. I started with $500 and a bunch of dumb questions. If you're willing to learn, stay consistent, and play the long game, your future self will thank you, probably with the beachside margarita. If this hit home even a little, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping real talk and real strategies to help you build passive income, one dividend at a time. Your money should be working harder than you are. Let's make that happen, together.